Yeah, some of the Dreamers that we spoke with certainly celebrating today, but they also know that the future of DACA really depends on the next election.
I haven't stopped smiling since I've seen the ruling.
For Tomas Evangelista, today's Supreme Court decision is cause to celebrate.
A huge relief for myself and for many of us who have been struggling our entire lives, but the most difficult parts have been the last 3 years.
Tomas was brought to the U.S. from Mexico by his mother when he was just 2 years old. Shortly afterwards, she passed away, and he was raised by his grandparents in Auburn.
Just grown up just like any other kid.
He's one of 3.6 million Dreamers in the U.S. today who will benefit from the Supreme Court ruling, at least for now. As attorneys point out, the ruling could also be DACA's undoing.
If they decide in their infinite wisdom that DACA needs to go, they have the roadmap for how to do it.
Andres Mera is an immigration attorney. He says for now, anybody who has DACA can continue to renew it.
But it also means that people that never applied will likely be able to apply.
As the number enrolled in the program is expected to grow, Mayer says its future very much depends on the results of November's presidential election.
A president can create a program like this and can change conditions on a program like this, but it has to follow the appropriate procedure.
I think every election is important, but this one might be the most important in my lifetime.
That's why Evangelista says he knows his fight to stay in the U.S. is far from over.
Tomorrow is a new day, and we need to continue forward on this fight for our right to be here in our country. Yeah, and that immigration attorney you just heard from tells us he doesn't believe the Trump administration has enough time to dismantle DACA before the next election, but he believes if the president does get reelected, he'll certainly try again. Reporting live in Sacramento tonight, Doug Johnson, Fox 40 News.